Hello students, I am Tasmeet, your art and craft teacher. Today we are going to do art activity which will be making a paper caterpillar. So as you can see, I have some green paper over here. So I have taken this whole length of the chart paper, and this is around 14 centimeter in width and a full length of the chart paper. And children, one more strip I have taken of 14 centimeter only, and I have made two cylinders of it, two rolls of it, you can say. Okay, so what do we need for this is a pair of scissors, Fevri-Stick, one ice cream stick, and these eyes which I have already made. You can also take googly eyes if you have, or otherwise you can make simple paper eyes. So let's get started. What we need to do is, this is our full length paper. So what we are going to do is, we are going to apply some Fevri-Stick over here on the end, and we are going to roll this and stick it over here like this. You got this? And then I have two cylinders already made, two rolls already made. Now I will apply some Fevri-Stick on the joint over here, right, like this, and I'm going to stick it over here like this. For more safety, I am going to apply lots of Fevri-Stick over here, and then some more Fevri-Stick for the next roll, like this. Like this, and some more Fevri-Stick to roll our first flap. Okay, like this. This is our first roll. This is our face of a caterpillar. Okay, children, you can use Fevicol also, because Fevri-Stick may not work properly because it has less adhesive. So this, our first roll, is also done. Now I have made two horns. I have taken stripes of paper and I have rolled it. So now we are going to make horns with these, like this. Okay, let's apply some Fevri-Stick. So after sticking these horns, it looks like this. It has 4 cylinders like this. This is a caterpillar. Now let's stick these eyes. I have made big eyes. Let's stick these. Okay, like this and like this. And again we are taking a black marker. So I am going to make a smiley face over here. We'll wait our eyes to get sticked properly. And now what are we going to make is, take your parents' help for this. We are going to make a small hole over here like this to put ice cream stick over here, so that our walking caterpillar is ready. So now children, you see here is walking caterpillar which moves like this and whose horns are like this. So children, please do make this at home. It's very easy, and we have it walks like this. So thank you so much, class.